Welcome back to Elora Studio. In our previous video, we introduced the idea behind our brand, effortless style and everyday elegance. Today, let's take a closer look at what makes Elora Studio different and how it fits naturally into your everyday life. In today's busy routines, choosing what to wear every day can often feel confusing and time-consuming. Many of us end up repeating the same outfits or feeling unsure about what looks good while still being comfortable. Sometimes, clothes look stylish but don't feel comfortable, and other times they are comfortable but lack style. This is exactly the gap that Elora Studio is designed to fill. Our goal is to simplify everyday fashion by creating outfits that are easy to choose, easy to style, and comfortable to wear. We focus on everyday essentials that fit seamlessly into your routine. Our collection includes relaxed fit jeans, soft tops, coadi sets, and simple dresses that are designed for daily wear. These outfits are versatile and can be worn for multiple occasions, whether it's college, casual outings, or a relaxed day out. One of the key features of Elora Studio is versatility. Each piece is designed in a way that it can be styled in different ways depending on your needs. For example, a simple top can be paired with jeans for a casual look, or styled with trousers for a slightly more polished appearance. This allows you to create multiple looks without needing too many clothes. Another important aspect of Elora Studio is its focus on minimal and timeless fashion. Instead of constantly changing trends, we focus on styles that remain relevant and wearable over time. This makes your wardrobe more practical and less overwhelming. We also use neutral color palettes like beige, white, black, and soft earthy tones. These colors not only look elegant but also make it easier to mix and match different outfits. Comfort is at the heart of everything we design. We use soft and breathable fabrics that feel light and comfortable throughout the day. Because when you feel comfortable in what you wear, it naturally reflects in your confidence. Another important part of Elora Studio is how it fits into real everyday routines. Our designs are created keeping in mind the small, everyday moments, getting ready in a hurry, stepping out for a quick outing, or spending long hours outside. The idea is to make sure that your outfit supports your day instead of making it more complicated. We also understand that personal style is different for everyone. That's why our pieces are designed to be simple and adaptable, so you can style them in your own way and make them truly yours. Choosing Elora Studio means choosing simplicity, comfort, and confidence. It means spending less time worrying about what to wear and more time focusing on your day. We also believe that good fashion should be accessible. That's why Elora Studio offers student-friendly pricing, seasonal discounts, and thoughtfully curated collections that provide great value. Our aim is to make stylish and comfortable clothing affordable without compromising on quality. Along with that, we focus on creating a smooth and simple experience. From selecting outfits to styling them, everything is designed to feel easy and stress-free. Elora Studio is not just about clothing. It represents a lifestyle that values simplicity, comfort, and effortless confidence. A lifestyle where fashion fits into your life instead of making your life more complicated. As we continue to grow, our goal is to bring more styles that stay true to this idea of minimal and everyday fashion. Thank you for being a part of Elora Studio. Elora Studio, effortless style, everyday elegance. Stay connected with us for more simple and elegant fashion inspiration.